2013 Accord really starts to shake when I'm braking. This shaking. The whole car vibrates when I try to brake. Try again now. More on a higher speed, the whole car vibrates. So it looks like the rotors are warped. So I had used ATZ rotor. ATZ rotor, just 20,000 miles ago. So this time I have Brembo Rotors. So I got them from Napa Auto. They were on sale. So I installed these. I had good luck with those. Good results in different vehicles. So I'm gonna get those. And also, this is front. And then there's the back rotors. I'm gonna change all four. See what does that do. The part number on this, I'll put in the description, but get the one that fits your vehicle. So go to Napa Online, so Napa Auto Online, Napa Online website. They will tell you which one fits your vehicle. So that's the front rotor. Let's go to the back. And this part number is the back rotor from my 2013 Accord. Just got the car back with new rotors. Here are the new Brembo Rotors here. Front. And the back. Looking nice and shiny. And the other side. Looking nice. We'll see how new rotors do when braking. After the rotor change, I'm gonna brake and see if the steering vibrates. Nope, no vibration. This is awesome. Thanks for watching.